Tell your name.
My name is Brahmdutta Dixit. है ना? I propose a new innovative project. Here. है ना? This is the eco-friendly thermos. है ना? Here we use the property of the cementic or Akar bamboo, which has a property that there is a layer between the layers of the bamboos. There is a air packets or air voids which perform a thermal insulation, which provide a better thermal insulation. है ना? So our water can keep warm for up to 3 hours. है ना? So it is a very good replacement of our cultured thermos. है ना? So the advantage of this is very cheapest. है ना? There is no cost. है ना? We can simply find out the Akar bamboo or cementic bamboo plant and cut out the one slab of that one, and we can use it in home. है ना? It is homemade. Purely homemade and purely biodegradable. One more thing is that there is no pollution. In the previous one, the previous thermos, we use a thermosetting plastic which has a lots of air pollution and soil pollution. And after use of the thermos, when it broken out, there is no use of that one. But it can easily used in the burning or any use, and there is no pollution. So this is all.
Which means you can keep water for like 3 hours. Okay. And it's an eco-friendly.
Main thing is eco-friendly. There is no pollution, and it's a new project. We use this is a new innovation.
It's cheap. It's compact.
It's cheap and compact.
It's reliable. Right?
Reliable.
Okay. Thank you.